Hello and welcome friends of our homestead. In this week's video we like to show you how we made our hay, and a little later in this video we like to introduce you our homemade wooden hay baler. We waited more than 2 months for the right weather to make our hay. This week the time had come. Last week we cut it. This week we turn it around 2-3 times and make everything ready to bale it. To turn it and to put it together we use this 3-wheel ground driven hay rake. I spent lots of time this week on the tractor, what I can feel in my back. I was looking for a long time to find a solution to bale my hay without spending a lot of money for a scrap metal hay baler. I can't find any payable good one, so I decided to try to build one myself out of material that I easily can find in every store. After 1 week of work in my shop, that's the result what comes out of it. An old school homemade wooden hay baler for under $400. She has a regular 2-inch car trailer hitch, which works great, and it's easy to hook on the tractor. She's hydraulic driven by the hydraulics from the front end loader of the compact tractor. Now let's go to make us some hay bales. Fold out the hay inlet. And check her functions. And start making hay bales by moving hay into the baler. I mean, it was only a try, but it's unbelievable what you can build out of a couple 2x4s, couple plywood, some car tires, bolts, nuts, some hydraulic hoses and a hydraulic hoist. With a good idea and fantasy. Okay, fast is different, but it works. The springs that you can see here, they are to adjust the back pressure of the hay bales. If you tighten it more, you get more pressed hay bales out of the hay baler. Necessity is what you makes inventive. When I first time put the little video of the hay baler on Facebook, my cell phone doesn't stay still anymore because of people ask for blueprints. I still don't have the blueprints now, but in the future I like to make some. So if you are interested on blueprints for the hay baler, you can send us an email at ds.farm.ns@gmail.com, and so soon as we had the blueprints ready, I will contact you with more information. Leave only your name and the keyword hay baler, that's enough. You also can find the email address in the description down below. If you like this video and if you like to see more video like this, please subscribe for our YouTube channel and turn the notification on to be up to date. Depends where you make the knots of the bales. You can make the bales shorter or longer. So the baler is made so compact as possible that it don't take much space in the barn or in the garage. She takes only a fifth of the space that the regular square hay baler needs. The knots for the bales are pretty simple to make. But now we are back in the future. When we bale the hay, we use our mini round hay baler. It's a pretty compact machine. She don't take a lot of space in the barn and she does a fast job. And mini round hay bales are not that heavy and easy to stack. It's a nice solution for small-scale farming or homestead like ours. If you have any questions about this video, leave it in the comments down below and we will answer so soon as possible. The amount of hay in one of these little round bales is the equivalent to plus minus 3 of the regular square little hay bales. If you like this video and if you like to buy us a coffee, I put the link for you in the description down below where you can do it. That's it for this week's video. Thanks guys for watching it, and hopefully we see us next week again. And don't forget to subscribe.